Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. If you want to factory reset your Apple Watch through the phone application, you will need to open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. In the app you should see your Apple Watch right here. Now scroll down through this page, look for the general option and tap on it. Then scroll down and look for the option called reset. It's going to be at the bottom of the page. Tap on it and here you should see option erase or erase Apple Watch content and settings. Tap on it, then tap on the confirm. Be aware though, if you factory reset your watch, like it says here, it will delete all the media, data and other stuff settings from your Apple Watch, so be aware of that. Tap on erase, then confirm again, and we need to confirm with the password for our account. So give me a few seconds, I'm gonna enter the password. Okay, and then we can tap on erase. The app will start unpairing the Apple Watch and resetting it, and now we can wait until it's done. It might take some time, so I recommend to be patient. Also, I recommend to plug in your watch to a charger before you do that, so it basically doesn't lose the battery life or doesn't die during the resetting process. So I recommend to plug it to a charger and just leave it there while it's resetting. And like I said before, it might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you when it's done. And after some time you should see this animation on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete. And you can pair your watch with another device if you want to. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.